বুঝলি? चलो है। Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to for this course dimension analysis. Dimension analysis. Dimension analysis for class 9, 10, 11, 12. Here previous lecture some physical quantity find out dimension and unit. So next physical quantity today I find out here. So here dimension analysis is basically simple chapter easily. So now start here. I hope every student very well or so down start here. Now start density. We have density equal to previous lecture two physical quantity found out. First is area, second is volume. So next physical quantity density find out. I think everyone fine here. Everyone look at the board carefully. Everyone look at the board. Now start. We have density equal to mass per volume. Density equal to mass per volume. Here consider a V volume object. Here consider a V volume object. V volume object is mass. Mass is m. V volume object is mass m. Any student any type of problem. Any student any type of problem. Then this WhatsApp number message or call. Any type of problem. Both medium this lecture very important here. Both medium English medium or Bengali medium. Both student are very helpful lecture because find out the physical quantity very critical. Many book do not solution. So now here my WhatsApp number is 8670174148. Any type of problem. Okay. So here V volume is mass m. So unit volume mass m upon V. Okay. So density equal to mass per volume. Density is denoted by D. Mass is denoted by m. Volume is denoted by V. So D. Density is D. Mass is volume. Previous lecture mass dimension is capital M. Dimension is always capital. Volume dimension is L cube because volume equal to length into breadth into height. So m L to the power -3. L to the power -3. So here D is m t power 0 L power -3. This answer is right. This answer is right. This answer is right. Both answer is right because some books are this answer write down or some books this answer is write down. So both answer is correct. Everyone note down. Please everyone note down. Every student note down please. I hope everyone understand this lecture. for 2 minute time only. Or a screenshot any type of this problem. Only 2 minute time. Very carefully write down. Please write down. So here some student command the dimension analysis, find out dimension. So unit, how to find it? Unit. Some student ask me, then unit how find it? So here find out the unit. Find out unit. Find out unit. Density of unit. Density of unit. We have density equal to mass per volume. So mass is m, volume is v, density is d. So d. Now put mass unit is mass CGS unit is gram, v unit is centimeter cube. So now put here mass is unit gram, volume is centimeter cube. So here d is we write here gram per centimeter cube or gram centimeter to the power -3. Both answer is correct. This is the unit of dimension. Here this is CGS unit. Dimension of two type of unit here. Find out now. Two type. This is the CGS unit. CGS unit find out. Now similar process we find out. SI unit. Similar process we find out SI unit. SI unit is D is kilogram per meter centimeter cube, kilogram centimeter to the minus. Yes, I unit. Both unit are very important. So density is density unit find out here. So dimension analysis, both unit and dimension here find out. Please write down or any type problem. Come on here So please write down for 2 minutes time. Everyone carefully write down. So let me. Now next, velocity. We have velocity equal to displacement upon time. So velocity is v. Displacement dimension is L. Time dimension is T. So L T power minus 1 dimension of acceleration. Here, so velocity dimension write down. Unit is v. Unit is v. Centimeter per second. V is meter per second. This is simple. Put here this relation centimeter distance. Any distance is unit, CGS unit is centimeter. Any distance unit is centimeter, or CGS unit, SI unit is meter. SI unit meter. So here displacement unit is centimeter, time is second. So centimeter per second, meter per second. This unit is, this is the CGS unit, this is the SI unit. CGS unit or SI unit. Then everyone write down. Please carefully write down. Everyone write down. Only 2 minute time. Everyone understanding? I think everyone understanding. Any type of problem, any type of any student problem, then WhatsApp this number for call. So this is the physical quantity is fourth physical quantity. Write down for screenshot this lecture. Acceleration.